Namaste and greetings to everyone. Our team Green Squad from Ambedkar DSU Sakarpur Campus 1 and we have selected theme from Smart Delhi Adathon 2025 is achieving zero waste with focus on waste segregation at source. Reason behind selecting the theme. Waste is a significant impact on our environment including pollution, climate change and conservation of natural resources. Waste mismanagement is a social justice issue that requires attention and action. Some solution to reduce waste and make sustainable environment. Let us see.
First, waste segregation at household sources, in which the waste segregation is in process of sorting waste into three different categories. First is organic waste, dry waste, and hazardous waste. Organic waste, fruits and vegetables. Dry waste, plastic, cardboard, and paper. And next is hazardous waste, batteries and electronics. If we segregate the waste, it helps to reduce the landfills. Beyond that, we also should an imperative to be responsible for handling.
Second point, create a website that provides information about waste mismanagement and sustainable waste management practices and it helps to aware people and achieve zero waste. Third point, policies and regulation in which pay as you throw program will provide financial incentive to residents and businesses when they segregate their waste at household source. And we will have to make waste management law in which if any household is not segregated their waste at a source, then it should be penalty.
E-Quests are automated machines that can recycle electronic devices. They can be found in shopping mall, grocery store, etc. How they work? Some quests offer cash for devices in good condition. Example of e-waste quest is Eco ATM, a network of quests that can recycle electronic devices. It is patent technology use and may offer cash for devices in good condition.
Our data management system for zero waste through waste segregation involves tracking and categorizing waste at the source. It uses digital tools to record the quantity and type of waste like organic, recyclable or non-recyclable in real time. The system generates reports to identify trends and inefficiency, enabling targeted waste reduction strategies integrated with IoT devices. It can automate, segregate, and monitor compliances to ensure optimal resource recovery and minimal landfill waste.
Outcomes of these solutions to make sustainable environment. First, to achieve zero waste. Second, no landfills. Third, created jobs and improved recycle rate by providing financial incentive program. Fourth, no pollution like air, water and soil in our environment. Thank you.